Welcome to Positivity Global Coaching. We offer tools so you can manifest yourself and change your world in your own way. Visit us at positivityglobal.org. And now, welcome to our presentation on Stonewalling, a silent barrier to healthy relationships. Today, we'll explore how to deconstruct this silence, understand the underlying psychology, and find pathways back to meaningful connection. Stonewalling is more than just silence. It's an active withdrawal from communication, creating a metaphorical wall between partners. This tactic involves unresponsiveness, which can scream louder than words. According to Dr. John Gottman, stonewalling is one of the 4 horsemen of the apocalypse in relationships. It's a significant predictor of divorce or separation, highlighting its destructive potential. Stonewalling manifests in various ways: silence, avoidance of eye contact, wounds, dismissive body language, and physical removal. These behaviors create barriers to effective communication and connection. Physiological flooding occurs when intense emotions overwhelm the nervous system, leading to paralysis in communication. This defensive stance is a biological response to stress. The silent punishment involves using the silent treatment as a tool for manipulation and control. Unlike flooding, this is a calculated move to assert dominance and induce guilt. It's crucial to distinguish between stonewalling and healthy boundaries. Stonewalling aims to avoid conversation, creating anxiety, while a timeout seeks to return to dialogue, fostering safety. When facing a wall, avoid pressuring your partner for answers. Pressure can exacerbate flooding, raising the wall higher. Instead, propose a break to lower the emotional temperature. For the receiver, suggest a break when communication becomes difficult. Acknowledge the challenge and plan to revisit the conversation when calmer, explaining the emotional impact of silence. If you're building the wall, recognize signs of flooding like a rapid heartbeat. Request time to process emotions instead of going silent, ensuring your partner feels secure and not abandoned. For the doer, communicate your need for space clearly. Promise a return to the conversation, transforming an ambiguous exit into a reassuring commitment, easing your partner's anxiety. Resetting involves moving from defense to reception. Techniques like deep breathing, taking a walk, or listening to music can help transition back to a state of openness and readiness to communicate. Recognize when stonewalling becomes a red flag. If used to punish or control, it may constitute emotional abuse. In such cases, seek professional help or reassess the relationship's viability. The demolition blueprint involves recognizing the cause, pausing before the wall rises, defining a return time, regulating emotions, and reconnecting when safety is restored. Breaking the silence means navigating conflict without disconnection. A time out is not an end, but a promise to return, ensuring the relationship remains resilient and connected. This study was developed by Angelos Derlopas for Positivity Global Coaching. We offer tools to help you change your world in your own way. Visit us at positivityglobal.org and learn about our coaching, certifications, and diagnostics.